Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lawtis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for sensitive noses and what you can do to help your child manage smell aversions. A real easy trick for kids who can chew gum safely is to allow your child to chew a stick of gum. Chewing a stick of gum will add some immediate aroma to the olfactory area, so that way this sort of helps to block a bit of an aversive scent. So I love this trick because not only is it great for the aroma, but also the act of chewing is very calming and organizing. So it's kind of like one of those 2-for-1 sort of deals where you're giving your child a relaxation strategy, something that can help with self-regulation, as well as something that can help manage smell. So it's a great trick. If you haven't tried it, I would suggest giving this one a whirl.